Hello. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome sa ating channel. At bago tayo magpatuloy, pakihingi ng isang like and subscribe. At huwag kalimutang pindutin ang notification bell para lagi tayong updated sa mga bagong upload natin. Okay, so our topic is to find the slope of the line 4x minus y equals 8. Okay, so first, we have to find 2 points on the line. So, dalawang point yung hahanapin natin dito. Okay, so first, let x equals 0 to find the y-intercept. So, gagawin natin 0 yung x. So, we will use the same equation for x minus y equals 8. Then, substitute natin yung x which is 0. So, that is 4 times 0. Magiging 0 na yan kasi nag-let x tayo na 0 yung x. So, 4 times 0 minus y equals 8. Then, pag i-multiply natin to, the result is 0. That's why naiwan dito is negative y equals positive 8. Ngayon, i-multiply natin both sides by negative or pwede rin natin i-divide both sides by negative. So, therefore, the result is y equals negative 8. Okay, so yung point natin dito, x is 0, y is negative 8. So, another point. So, ito yung first point. Then, second point na tayo. Let y equal 0 to find the x-intercept. So, baliktarin naman natin. Y naman yung 0. So, the same equation for x minus y equals 8. So, yung y dito, magiging 0 na. Okay, so equals 8. So, for x, ang naiwan, kasi huwag natin isulat yung 0 dyan. Okay, equals 8. Then, i-divide natin both sides by 4. So, pag i-divide natin ito siya by 4, the result is 1 or x na lang yung naiwan. Huwag mo lang isulat yung 1. Then, 8 divided by 4, that is 2. Kasi nag-divide tayo both sides. Okay, so yung point natin dito or yung second point natin, x is 2, y is 0. Okay, so ito yung x sub 1, y sub 1. Ito yung x sub 2, at saka y sub 2. And then, i-substitute natin sa ating slope formula. Okay, so yun na ang result. So, this is 0 minus the quantity of negative 8 over 2 minus 0. So, that is equal to 8 over 2 or 4. Yun ang slope natin. Okay, ngayon, so meron tayong mas madaling solution dito. Here's an easier way to find the slope of the line for x minus y equals 8. So, dalawang solution na ibibigay ko sa inyo. So, first, we have to solve for y. Solve for y, so that is 4x minus y equals 8. Yun ang original equation. Then, i-transform natin yan into y equals mx plus b. So, that is, kopyahin natin si negative y equals si 4x, si positive 4x, i-transpose natin doon sa right side. So, take note, kapag mag-transpose tayo, we have to change the sign. So, this is negative 4x na. So, from positive, magiging negative 4x. Then, plus 8. Si 8 is hindi siya na-change or hindi siya na-transpose. That's why, still, positive 8 pa rin siya. Okay, ngayon, merong negative yung y dito. So, ibig sabihin, i-multiply natin or i-divide natin both members of the equation by negative. So, pag i-divide natin yan or i-multiply natin yan, each member of the equation, so, si y magiging positive y equals si negative 4x magiging positive 4x. Si positive 8 magiging negative 8. Kasi pag mag-divide tayo or mag-multiply tayo ng unlike sign, the result is negative. So, ito na yung y equals mx plus b. So, ngayon, so when the equation is solved for y, the coefficient of x is the slope. So, ibig sabihin, ito yung coefficient ni x, di ba? Ito yung tinatawag na slope, si 4. Di ba? 4 yung sagot natin kanina. So, yung slope daw, yung x is the slope. We call this the slope-intercept form. Y equals mx plus b. So, yung slope natin is, so m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. So, therefore, yung slope is 4. Yun ang sagot natin kanina, di ba? Then, the y-intercept, ang y-intercept is negative 8. Ayan. So again, ito lang yung topic natin ngayon at maraming salamat sa panonood at pakikinig. At sa hindi pa nakasubscribe dyan, pakisubscribe na lang at huwag kalimutang pindutin ang notification bell para lagi tayong updated sa mga bagong upload natin. Maraming salamat and God bless.